Today I'm going to introduce you to a AI website which can create presentations for you. So for that, go to Google, type gamma.app, and this will be the interface after you log in into the login. After that, then you have to click on create new AI. Okay, on clicking create new AI, you will enter into this page where you have to click on generate. Okay, and here this is the space where you can add your prompt, and this is something which you can select the cards, in the sense it indicates the slides, number of slides. After that, this is the space where you can write the prompt, whatever prompt you want. Okay, so here I am typing what do I type? Yeah, create a presentation about health. So this is going to be my prompt, and after that just click on generate outline. So that, see, outline in the sense it means the headings or the content in the on the slides. Okay, after that click on continue. After clicking on continue, you will go to this page where you can choose the theme. A default theme would be already given over here, and in addition to that, we can also choose our own theme from them. From the in addition to this, we can choose our own theme. That's our wish. After selecting the theme, okay, yeah, you can pick a theme. After picking up a theme, just click on generate. Okay, so after clicking on generate, see, we can see our slide is being prepared, and you are not supposed to close the tabs while the generation is in progress. And see how fast AI is actually creating these slides for us. Yeah, okay, and on the right side we have so many options where we can edit our slides. Okay, yeah, these are our slides, and after that you can click on present, so that your slide will be presented and you can see how it looks and everything. Okay, so this is in the entire app, and and there are many other options that you can see, and there are many other options which you can